this is the CSS tab. So here are the classes. Like when you select a class for this button, what happens is a different CSS class is being applied to this button. So we can even like add our own class. Like if I just change it directly from here, you will see that the button has changed automatically. And that's the great part, that every element you can type your own CSS. Like say, let's say that for this heading, we want it to be red color. Now, I just want to make sure that you remember that this is only for the people who know how to code. You don't have to do this. You can just like select the color from here also. But if you know how to do the CSS, and this is not just simple CSS, like if I say ampersand hover, is this suppose SCSS? So what will happen is, like whenever I move the mouse cursor, because this is ampersand represents the element, so it will automatically apply this effect to it. And this effect is only, this CSS is only applied to this element. It does not affect this element at all. So this is a great way if you want to customize something. Like if you want to add a special margin at the bottom, so you can just like say 100 px, and it will add a margin to this. So this is like for the people who know how to code.